We listen and we don't judge. Hey friends, so it's been a lot of time later. I went to work, but I hope you enjoyed that morning montage to where you could just relax and just feel like, oh, this is a nice video. But if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Daisha, and if you love everything lifestyle, travel, girl talk, girl, I do it all over here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I upload every week, so you'll be seeing more of me this year. So in a few, I'm gonna go ahead and probably pick up my sister because she's at school, and then I'm gonna come back, pick up my groceries. I have to probably take my sister to work. I don't know if she needs a ride. She always needs something. And then I'm going to straighten up my kitchen because I haven't straightened it up, but this weekend I was babysitting, so I do need to clean up. I forgot to do a Sunday reset because we were shopping yesterday. I might include some of those clips from yesterday because I didn't do a full vlog. Y'all, since I didn't do an outfit of the day, this is my outfit of the day. Nothing major, you know. Nothing major. Just looking thick. With my tools on. These my tools. I got this from TikTok shop. It got a shirt on there. And then I got this from... Dang, can you hold the camera up?
Hold the camera up. You just gave me the camera. I'm just like, okay, whoa.
Okay, and then I got this. I got my Coach bag on.
I can't see
Supporting
nothing.
somebody's businesses, no excuses. My man just got me this yesterday, Coach headband, you know. So we vibing. And yeah.
Bro, you...
He was supposed to be recording, but like...
You're looking at yourself like, I can't... Really,
oh, okay, I get it. So instead of you looking like this...
Yeah.
Okay, well, guys, we are here at the...
Oh my God. What the fuck?
That's what your ass get. So we are at Texas City Outlet. This is my first time here. You didn't even mess up your shoes all the way.
I didn't, but I still didn't want to do that though.
You locked your door? But yeah, we are at Texas City's Outlets. I've never been here before. He just came here the other day to get my headband and some other stuff. But I was like, oh, they having a sale. Let's go up over there. Yo, look at this dog collar. Cause I'm wondering, it's in the main area, and I really like this. Like, I guess that's like a laptop bag. I think that's for like.
It doesn't have to be one piece. You can get her like matching earrings and stuff.
I bought a few items that I actually could show you guys. Coach had collars. I got him this. It's just kind of simple. There was another one, but Trayshawn said this one looks better. And then he got me this a few days ago. So I just went to the Coach store to get the matching scarf as well as the belt. Well, just a belt. And I actually have to go take this back to get resized. I got one size, but it's still a little big, so yeah, other than that, girl, we got some stuff to do. And I'm gonna call y'all back when I get the other stuff rolling, okay? Hey friends, so this is what I have on. I just kept on this Zora shirt, this basic Zora shirt. And then these Fashion Nova tights. They should be on sale right now. But I'm just gonna go pick up my groceries.
Don't be shy. Hey, shot is what I'm here for. I'm ready.
This is my refrigerator right now. Don't judge. Just saying. We listen and we don't judge. They won't know.
choose.
My girl put me on
I gotta
this.
stay.
Y'all.
So you know I just want to
Finally, y'all, finally we got some cookies and cream because this is the best ice
Rocky
cream.
Road. But yeah, my girl had left this at my house. It was probably like this full. Now it's
Oh y'all, and I'm gonna make my sister get some ice cream cones and we gonna have some ice cream one night. Yeah.
not the what you just do.
Cause on this side, also on this side. Even me.
We about to go run. I just put my hair in a ponytail and this.
Girl, show me. Okay, just show this.
And girl, then today, my poor baby, Sabo. Oh, look at him. He been going through it. He was in the cage with his brother. And they not supposed to be in the cage together. He went in the cage with him. Got his thing. He got his little thing where it says like his name. But yeah, so he had got his little collar thing where it says his name. He got it stuck in the cage. And I was going to go pick up the groceries. Luckily my sister was at home and heard him. And yeah, so he popped a blood vessel in both of his eyes. You can see it all in his head, like a scalp and stuff. So I'm not gonna take him to the vet because they don't really be doing nothing. Anytime I do take him to be checked out for anything, so I'ma just wait it out. And if anything happens, like if I see any other signs, him not acting normal, then I'ma take him.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chasing. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you famous.
So friends, I hit my goal. I only did 6,000 something steps though, but I did hit my goal, girl. And if you go on my community tab, I just posted 0 seconds ago. So I don't know, but I'm tired, y'all. I'm gonna make these fajitas tonight. I'ma read my book. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to reading my book, The Housemates. And if y'all read that, girl, we finna get started on the second one after I read this. And if you haven't, girl, go ahead and read it, because once I finish, I am gonna be spilling the tea. And I don't want you to be like, dang, why you spill the tea? So yeah, get that book, y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna try to do these every week because I'm holding myself accountable, and I hope y'all are holding yourself accountable too. Love y'all. See y'all soon.